Hello my cute coders. So this is a second version of Soniverse I'll be showing you guys today. And I hope you guys seen first video where it is dedicated for installation of first version. Coming to this, I'll have to start this server. Wait. So yeah, this URL will be given to users. Once they enter the site, this is a front page. There are multiple real-time features like users can create multiple virtual rooms where they can collaborate their code to others. Second comes to the voice call feature where two users can call each other and talk. Coming to the third feature, it is a chat box feature where they can share text messages, images, videos, documents, and all. You can also download it, including audio messages too. Third feature is kinda a playground whiteboard where they can collaborate the drawing or any sketch. Let me show you. So first you will have to enter your name. Once you select your gender, a random DP will be assigned to you. Just for reference. So when you click on generate session, you will be having your room code. So currently it is 74 for me. So this is a welcome page which will only render once. So it just shows what feature it includes. So yeah, this is the second version of Soniverse. Coming to the UI part, the new things are your DPI name. This connected shows that your room is actually created through the server. Third one is the session code. Yeah, it is the room code. This shows the number of users currently in this room. Once you on this button, this link will be copied with the session number. And yeah, here's the normal our code or a thing. So coming to the real-time features, as you can see, so yeah, coming to the real-time features, you can see there are two more things on this. So yeah, let me show you the collaboration one thing first, where a second user can join like this. We will be putting her name user 2 and she won't generate any session, but she will enter this session code. Right? Same home page and all. Coming to this, you guys can see that I can literally code together. Coded. So yeah, the delay is kind of 0.1 to 0.2 seconds of delay, which is really not noticed that much. As you can see, there is a collab. Coming to the second thing, they can also type anything. This will be collaborated to the second user. So yeah, coming to the second feature, there is a dedicated chit chat section where user can call each other and text. This is a calling function which first access your microphone and goes an incoming pop-up to the second user. Here's the incoming call. Once I accept this call, okay, so the voice is actually going from this microphone to the speaker because two browsers are in same window. So what? Wait, let me close this call. What this number shows is just a countdown for how much seconds. It's just a counter for how much seconds we had talk, like how much seconds the voice has been transmitted to each other. If that is not working, it means the voice is not getting transmitted. This connected, what does it shows? It is like kind of. So I'm using WebRTC, right? So that server is connected to both the users. Coming to the chat section, so I can literally just text them anything. and they can also share any file. So I'll be saying this is a very real quick if your internet connection is good. So they can also share audio files. I can listen and download it. I'll be removing this download wala thing and coming to this where you can see when you click on this photo, you can just download it. It could be any photo, image, or video too, like any document. Like fine. So this ends this feature. Coming to the fourth feature, like a collaborative whiteboard. So why this idea came up? Because I have been using this Excalibur thing to explain concepts to my friends in Discord. So what I did is just added voice call and whiteboard in this project. So yeah, this is kind of whiteboard thing where I used to draw things. So yeah, this is also a collaborative whiteboard where users can talk, explain features to each other. And if I ask what is here, he can say, yeah, first six, four, and three. This is how stack works. There, I can also stack. I can also use this add text feature. There's also a brush thing. I have also given an eraser where you can actually erase things. And coming to this clear canvas, actually clears the whole canvas. You can also download it. Like there's a very important concept you need. It will be downloaded once you clear it. So yeah, this was the second version of Soniverse. If you want access for the first version, I've already told that in the video, but let me tell you. So when you visit that website, I'll be giving that link in this description. Once you click on download, you maybe have to make a request access to me. Otherwise, if you are getting this, see there's access request by someone. Yeah, so you can request access, but in my browser it is showing this download thing because yeah, I have did it. Okay, fine. This download thing, you will be given this folder where you will be getting .exe file. So I have explained it very well in the first video of Soniverse. So yeah, basically this website is just made to show what Soniverse is, and the collaboration suite will be given to users very soon because it will be needed a dedicated server which generates sessions and handle calling and all. I have to add a chat box where 30 plus members can actually interact. Current version only supports two members of talk of connection, and yeah, that's it. Coming to these all things, you can get in touch with me. There's about us section, and yeah, you can just get back of it. There's a blog thing where there's about us thing. And coming to the protocol thing, I hope you have all seen this and that, but yeah, I will touch. There will be pricing thing. Currently, I am not charging anything. I have to make this Razer Pay wala gateway. So I will be giving this version, like the offline wala version for paid. There's no free version. Like I know in India, there's nothing like I can't pay. If value is given, they will be definitely paying me. The thing is, yeah, the Razer Pay wala gateway thing. It will be done very soon. Coming to the login thing, where you can actually sign in. This is just done. I have not connected this to any MongoDB cluster, but yeah, it will be done very soon. Fine. That's it for today. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video.